Welcome to Copenhagen, where the local time is 11 minutes past 5. For safety reasons, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep your seat back and table upright and the aisle emergency exits free of cabin baggage until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful when opening overhead compartments to prevent baggage from falling out. Before leaving the aircraft, please check that you haven't forgotten anything on board. When disembarking, please observe a possible difference in level between the aircraft and the gate bridge or stairs. Smoking is only permitted in designated smoking areas. We have some more information for those of you traveling to Bergen, Stavanger. You've been rebooked on the flight to Oslo SK 462, departing at 6:15 from gate B9. For any further information, just ask the ground staff and they will be able to tell you on your next flight towards your final destination. My colleagues and I would like to thank for flying SAS Airlines. It has been our pleasure looking after you today. On behalf of the captain, we would like to apologize again for today's delay and for all the inconvenience it might have caused to you. We look forward to seeing you on board again soon. Thank you and have a good night.